everybody, it is 9:14. I got dressed and I walked out the door because I want to get to Walmart right away. I have a lady coming over in an hour. If I'm not home, it's not a big deal, but she's bought a bunch of Ben's clothes, so I'm getting rid of that. I feel super proud about that. But yeah, right now I am heading to Walmart. There's a couple things that I need to get also besides the Ibotta haul. So I'm pretty excited about that. I want to get home, do my video, and then around 1 o'clock we're gonna go see my friend Jennifer. I always hang out with her so much. She is like, she's not my best friend, but we talk a lot, and our husbands are exactly the same. Same attitude, just the same. I mean, they could be twins, but that's how we met through each other, was our husbands used to work with each other. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. But yeah, I don't know if I have anything else exciting going on. There's a thing that I want to try. It's macaroni and cheese, but the Cheetos brand. My Walmart supposedly has it in stock, so I'm excited to find that if I can. And then there's some Snickers that are apparently super cheap. So I'm gonna go on the main road, so I will see you guys at Walmart. So it is 10:58. Sorry, my air's on. I'm just trying to get the cold air in. I just went to Walmart. It was awesome. So I said it's 10:58. I'm gonna film this video, get home, post this, and then we're gonna go have some fun. So I'll see you guys when I'm done, but I got some good deals. I finally found elastic, and I finally found my tape measures that I've been trying to find. Like, I've been to several Walmarts and they've been sold out, and so I bought 3 of these because I love them, and you can't go wrong for $1. Hey guys, so it is 1:50. We're just heading over to my friend's house real quick. I'm gonna get some pizza for all of us to eat. But I got kind of a rude comment on my Walmart video, but I'm sorry, I don't remember names very well. Like, you guys send me stuff, and if I'm opening it on camera or I'm near your names, I thank you guys right away, and I have thanked you many of times. But there are times where somebody mentions something in a video and I can't remember who it is. But people don't realize that I sometimes have up to 100 comments of people. Some of you guys, like, I talk to and comment all the time. I know your names very well, but there are some periodic people who comment and I don't remember their names. And like, this girl just kind of said that, she didn't say it, she said it in a nice way, but she basically said that it's rude that I don't remember people's names. And it's just like, you know what, things happen. You know, I have other things on my mind to remember 100 people's names. So that's what's going on. But we're gonna get going. I'm gonna surprise my friend with Starbucks because she loves Starbucks. So I'm gonna surprise her with a Starbucks, a drink. But we're gonna get going and have some fun. Hi, you guys. I don't know why, but I feel like I've had a rough day today. It is 5:42. We just got home from hanging out with our friends. We were only there. Yeah, we were only there for a couple hours because when the boys get together, they get super riled up and then they never want to listen. So I don't like it when, you know, Ben doesn't listen. Okay, so that is what happened. Yeah, I'm just like beat, but I sold a bunch of clothes today. This place is a mess, so I gotta pick it up some more. And I got, did I say that? No. But I did get my bowls, my dog bowls that I was gonna tell you guys about. So let me open this up. Sorry, I gotta get a close up of my face. I got I ordered more stuff, and I ordered my stuff from the stainless steel company, and we'll show you what I bought. So, I didn't realize how much I bought. Holy crap. Okay, what did I buy? So I got some acrylic slurp things. Now you guys are like, what the heck is that? I'm gonna turn these into a snow globe, and I'm also gonna jewel them. But I'm pretty excited to share with you guys with this. But yeah, I'm going to drill them, or put glitter and stuff in them, and then I'm also gonna jewel the top. So pretty excited for that. I got 4 of those. So pretty excited. They give me all the straws that I need, so I gotta put those right in a special folder. What else did I order? I ordered... Did I order 2 little cups? Wait, hold on. What is this? Oh, so I bought, totally forgot about this. I bought cooler cups, you guys. I'm so excited for these. I bought 2 of them to see how well. I'm gonna do one for myself because I really want to do this. But I bought little cooler cups that I'm gonna jewel. I'm so excited to see how these turn out. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna put that in there? Yeah. So I'm excited to do the cooler cups. And then I got a dog bowl. So I got a, what is this? I got a 32-ounce dog bowl that I was thinking of jeweling. So if anybody wants me to jewel a bowl, let me know, or I can personalize it instead of jeweling it. But this is a big bowl. Like, I didn't realize how big it was. So this one's a pretty decent bowl. I like it how it's got the grip on the bottom. So I got that to possibly jewel. And then I got a bigger bowl. I did not realize how big these bowls were. But it is huge, you guys. So you can put that back in the box. Holy crap. And then I got an even bigger bowl. So I don't know if I'm going to jewel those or not. If somebody wants me to, I have no idea. That's going to be a lot of work. More than the cups. But I'm pretty excited to jewel them. But yeah, that was what I got. It wasn't much, but I'm pretty excited to jewel this. I'm pretty excited for that. So, Charlotte just woke up. Are you pooping? Yep. You're silly. I wish I could just sit there and just poop. So, I'm going to change her diaper and I will see you guys back when I got this house more put together. Well, you guys, it is 8:32. Everybody have the hiccups. Everybody is settling down to get ready to go to bed. We played outside for about an hour. We played in the car, chasing it, and then going back and forth in front of our house with a little Tyke's car. So that's what we did. But I felt like I didn't get anything. I felt like I didn't get anything done today. But tomorrow I'm like, oh, I'm not going anywhere. But then I have to go to Costco to get our oils or our tires changed out because we need to prepare for winter. And so I'll be sitting there for like an hour, hour and a half. I might take the kids somewhere in walking distance. I can't stop hiccuping, but someplace in walking distance so we can not just be bored at Costco for an hour, because they took all the chairs away, so it's really hard, you know, to sit and wait. At Costco they don't have all the food choices either, so might take the kids to Cabela's, which is like kind of near it. If they have a sidewalk, I'll definitely go. But they want to see the fish, and these hiccups are driving me crazy. So I don't know. I'm tired. I did finish my 1 cup, just the top, and now I gotta cut out strawberries with the Cricut machine. But I did finish this cup. I heard bad things about this, so I want to wait a bit and see how well it does it, but I really like the way it turned out. So we got that, and then I started working more on this cup. I'm trying to do as perfect as I can with this cup. And then I spray painted, lost Charlotte. She was right next, oh, she's sitting on the stairs. I did spray paint this cooler cup. I'm going to jewel this. I took the piece off, but I want to jewel that for my personal preference because I like to keep my pop cold. So we're going to see how well this really does. But yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I didn't get very much stuff done, but I'm happy that I sold Ben's clothes. I'm happy that I got my Walmart haul. So I've been just on the run like all week and I haven't had a time to just sit at home and get stuff done. Next week I want to, but we have a doctor's appointment for Charlotte. I have a dentist appointment for Ben. I have, yeah, I don't know. But I'm gonna let you guys go because I'm gonna get these kids ready for bed. Once I get them to bed, I'm gonna sit and relax and watch these hiccups. I'm gonna sit and watch the Vampire Diaries, maybe, I don't know, I probably have some ice cream. I haven't had hardly anything to eat. I thought hitting myself would make the thing go away, but it didn't, so that is how my day is going, but I don't know, I'm just kind of blah, 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 blah. I watched too much Hotel Transylvania. So, but this weekend we were supposed to go to a housewarming party on Saturday. That got canceled. We were supposed to go to a birthday party on Sunday. That got canceled. So we don't have any plans this weekend. I told Grandma I just kind of want to work on the basement some more. So I don't know yet, honey. I don't know what they got planned. But I definitely want to work on the basement some more. Getting the one area cleared out. No. So, I will see you guys all tomorrow. I'm going to hopefully have somewhat of a successful day. Probably start preparing for couponing. I feel like if I start working on it Friday, then I'm not so rushed working on it Saturday night. So, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.